Hi there everyone, welcome back to Infinity Drones. Today I've got some extremely exciting news as we are reaching the 5,000 mark pretty soon, the 5,000 subscriber mark. Dronehacks has given me 10 licenses that I can give away, so please stay tuned for the competition and see how you can join and how you can win a license. So yes, 5,000, it's all because of you guys. You guys are supporting the channel and I really do appreciate it. Dronehacks has been amazing for the channel as well, but as well as just the functionality that they provide. Unlocking your drone, being able to fly where you want to fly, not having been restricted by no-fly zones that sometimes are extremely inaccurate. Sometimes you just want to fly inside your home, but you can't even take off or arm your motors. And yes, you can't even test your drone for argument's sake. So for me, I think Dronehacks has been a fantastic tool that I've been using for a long time. And I think what they are doing is just absolutely amazing. So without further ado, we have 10 licenses that we can give away. 10 licenses, that's a value of 400 euros in total. So what you guys need to do is you guys need to head over to the Dronehacks website, and there we are going to have a few questions that you guys must answer. Okay, so the questions and everything will be in the video description as well, and a link to the Dronehacks website. But you guys must answer a few questions. So as you guys can go to the Dronehacks website, obviously you can just scroll up and get a lot of information, but what I want you guys to do is just get deeper involved with what Dronehacks does and what the functionality they provide. So you can go to the hacks page, you can go to the bird map page, and see what's going on and what drones are supported and others like that. You can go to the how-to page, for argument's sake, check the help page, accounts, see how much the stuff costs and everything like that, buy a license. So what I'm going to do is what we need is for you to be able to enter in the competition, you will need to answer 7 questions. Okay, you see my internet's quite slow. The 7 questions are as follows. Let me just go back to the home page. So the first question you guys need to do is to answer the question, what is the current version of Dronehacks as of today? So what we're going to do is we're going to jump over to the bird map page over here. And once you've opened the bird map page, we want to see how many drones, no-fly zones can be removed. Now remember, these are a lot of drones that are supported, but not all of them can, well, you can remove the no-fly zones. So if I go and click on the Mini 2, for example, which is a great example, you can just see there are lots of firmwares that are supported. But if I click on the latest firmware version, you're going to see that it is not available and you cannot even downgrade, meaning that if you are on the latest firmware, you unfortunately cannot downgrade to an older firmware version, which will enable you to do the mod. In this case, you guys can see that there's quite a lot of firmware, but if we click on this firmware, if you're on this one, then you are able to unlock and enable all of the functionality you can see over here. And sadly, if you are on a later version, then that will not be possible. Okay, so the next question is how many features does the Dronehacks system offer? Okay, so you can go to the Dronehacks page, you can go to any of these pages over here, and you can try and find that one. So we're talking about what do Dronehacks offer for free. Okay, so check their site, scurry around, see what you can find over there. Also, another question we've got over here on Wi-Fi-based drones. Now these are like the Air 1, the Mini 1, the Mini SE. If you want to enable FCC mode, how many channels would you have in the 2.4 gigahertz spectrum if FCC was enabled? Okay, so you can check that out. The information is on the website. Please go and find it out. And another one I'm going to ask is if you want to see how many drones or which page on the inside. I've already given this one away, so there's a free answer for you guys. It's on the bird map. So which page on the Dronehacks website can you check which drones are supported? And spoiler alert, we are on this page and you can see there are quite a number of drones available. So check and make sure you get this one right. I've actually seen quite a few guys get this answer incorrect on the previous giveaway. Before attempting the hack or mod your drone, what software must be installed? This is very important. So check the tabs, check the website. There is a certain software that you must install on your machine. Otherwise, this whole process will not be possible. Okay, so please make sure you guys find that one. And then last question is, how much does a Dronehacks license cost? Okay, and we need to have answers for both. Remember, there are 2 types of licenses you can purchase, and I want to know the value of both. So what I need you guys to do is I need you guys to head over to the comment section of the video, and in the comment section you guys paste or post the answers to these questions. There are 7 questions in total. Please number them from 1 to 7. Like I said, I'm also posting the questions in the description, so please be sure to take a note there. And also, if you guys would like to purchase a license, if you're not going to wait for the 5,000 giveaway and see if you're a winner, then just go to the buy license section and then you'll be able to follow the steps there as well. I've got a complete tutorial on how to do the whole thing. I'll post it in the video description as well. As always, guys, if you like the content that I'm making, please consider to click the like and the subscribe button below. It really does help out the channel. As you guys can see, we're growing quite nicely, but we would like to keep that momentum going and make videos that you guys would like to watch. Thank you guys very much for watching, and once again, thank you very much for all of the support you guys have given me.